Hello everyone, I'm Young Forest. Welcome to my channel. This is a series about a technical interview self-mock. Today we will solve the daily problem in LeetCode together. So let's start. Let's open the daily problem. The difficulty is medium, so I think we should resolve this within 20 minutes. Good luck. Let's read the description together. The surrounded regions given a matrix contain X or O capture a region that are four directionally surrounded by X. A region is captured by flipping R O into X in that surrounded region. So the description is very short and it's very clearly. So we the O cells form a region, and some regions are surrounded by X, like this region, and some region not, like this region. So a brute force solution is we can use the DFS to iterate or this region. As a start, we can look up all the border and find which one is an O, and if we find some O, we just just use DFS to find all its neighbors and mark our region. After our DFS, we mark all those region and we iterate every cells and flip those regions to X and we recover those regions from our mark to the O. We can use some everything we can mark. For example, we just use A to mark those regions. So the solution is very straightforward, and the time complexity is the square of n, because we use DFS and every cells is reached at most once. So it's m multiply n. It's the size of border. And the space, because we use the original board to record the mark and label it as A, and it presents this cell is visited and shouldn't be flipped. So the space complexity is a big O1. We don't use any extra space. So I think this is the optimized solution. So let's implement this solution because it's so easy to implement. So I won't write the pseudocode first. I will write the C++ real code directly. Good luck on me. So let's write the DFS. We need index. This is the index we want. We are visiting. So I think it's void, and we need a we use a direction vector to present the four direction. This is a pattern for the DFS. I suggest you to remember it so that you can write it fast in a real interview and bug-free. Because it's four directions, we use the step to present that. If it's like 8 directions, we can do add the similar items too. And here we will iterate all directions and find the new index. You can summary your own pattern to write the DFS. This pattern is just what I like, and I summary the before. And if it's a valid cell, and we will use. We also need its O cell, so that we will mark that to A and DFS that. And the next step is iterate the border and recover and flip. Here, how do we iterate the border? Just phone op to do that. Let's do that. We'll mark it as A2. Here we iterate the first row, and there is the second row. And there is the last row. Here is M subtract 1. if I think is at least 2 row, so it must larger than 1. Here we are, and we need to iterate the first column. We use I to present the row. It's the row. Oops. The row and I. Here is because we don't need to iterate the first index and last index, so we do that. And if there is last column here, we iterate 2. I think this is subtract 1. And we need to recover that. We just use to instead phone up and 0 and 2i and under the j. If it's O, we need to flit it to X, and if it's X, we just ignore that, and if it's R mark A, we need to recover it to O. I think that's it. Let's finish some missing variables. First, it's the row number m and the column number n. Okay, and the type of our DFS function. Type is void, and the arguments is the constant and constant. I think that's it too. I check that and run the code. Oops. Okay, typo. 52, it's I2. So we did that. Let's use this one and I think, and something like use this one too, and we will here reiterate some. Like this. Let's run the exams again. Yeah, I think we all exams are accepted. Let's submit our solution. Yeah, congratulations on me. I did it bug free and very quickly. And let's review our code. First, we need to do the DFS function. And this is a typical pattern to do the DFS. You can use my template or you can summary your own template. Just use what suits you best. And well, the second step is iterate the border and DFS the O in border. And the last step is we recover and flip our border. So that I think that's all my today's video. I'm very satisfied with my presentation. So thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.